What's up guys, Rob from ClicksGeek, and in today's video we're going to go through Google Ad Assets. They've now changed the name and the game is changing again. Not to worry though, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happened and how to navigate the new way that or whatever they call Google, assets instead of ad extensions. It's the same thing guys, but I'm going to walk you through it to kind of give you some clarity. So we're in one of our client accounts right here, last 30 days, and essentially I'm going to walk you guys through ad assets, right? So they changed the name. It's now no longer called ad extensions. They just kind of cleaned up the dashboard a little bit and moved some things around. So I figure I might as well just walk you through this just because it's pretty simple, but some people might be confused. So all you're going to do is go into your campaign. You can see here we're in the overview level of our campaign. Come down here to ads and assets. Go to assets, and you'll see here we have our asset, which is basically just the extension. So structured snippet, we have our call out, we have our call, and they're all listed up here. So here's your site links, here's your call outs, structured snippet. So if you click on any of these, it just takes you into the extension. Guys, all they really did was change the name. Nothing really changes. If you go into call, you have your tracking phone number here, and it's all the same. You set up your call tracking number with your conversion, your call extension conversion action. Everything stays the same. You have your lead forms, price extension, app if you're running apps, or special promotion. So there's nothing really different except they're all just listed up here now, and you can go into each one individually instead of, I think they used to have like a drop down box or something to walk you through the ad extensions. So that's pretty much it. Just a different layout. I actually like this better, honestly. So it works. It's it's just cleaned up a little bit. It looks a little different. You can kind of do some filters here based on your removed ones, your live ones, asset type, all. You can go down into each individual one like I just showed you. So that's really it, guys. There's not much to this video. It's they just kind of changed the name and the layout of ad extensions and just started calling it ad assets. There's not really much difference besides that. You can go into each one individually and just see how there's not really. Let's go into edit and I'll show you. Like this is the call out, so it's all the same stuff, right? You can you schedule your asset to run certain hours and days or whatever. Nothing's really changed. It's just the layout and the name. So just keep that in mind. No reason to panic. Crisis averted. We're all good. If you guys have any questions about the new layout or how to find something, how to do anything, just drop them in the comment section below this video.